My name's Ben, and today we've got by far the highest specification Porsche Boxster we've ever had for sale to show you around. This is a 2023 Boxster 718 Style Edition, and the Style Edition means you get a few lovely features as standard, but this car has a huge list of cost options over and above a standard Style Edition, and it's got some features we've never seen on a Boxster before. It's done just 4,900 miles from new and a full Porsche main dealer service history, so it doesn't get much better. Finished in Arctic grey with full leather inside, full leather standard on a Style Edition, but this particular car with contrast stitching throughout. And we'll start at the front and talk you through as much as we can of those options. So the first one, which again is included in the price on a Style Edition, but you can choose to have it in different colours, is the decal pack. So you've got the stripe down the bonnet. This car's got all of the black design parts on it. So black sports design package and the black decal package, which gives you the stripes on the bonnet, and the sports design pack is these big gloss black sections in the middle of the front bumper here, along with the gloss black on the lower front splitter. So normally these would be just plain plastic, but on the Style Edition you get it all in gloss black. In the centre here you'll see a big radar for the adaptive cruise control. Again, a massive cost option on a Boxster. I've never seen another one with adaptive cruise control. PDLS Plus headlights, so the most powerful headlight system you can have on a Boxster, and you've got the 4 LED daytime running lights in the corners of the light unit there, along with the strip in the bottom of the front bumper. Coming round the side, again, the best wheels for a Boxster, the 20-inch Spider GT4 wheels. Again, look really, really nice with the full colour Porsche crest in the centre there. And the decal package down the side of the car, which also has the nice little sort of finisher on the front bumper there as well. Again, all in gloss black. Body coloured door mirrors with the sports design door mirror, so you've got the hole in the door mirror there. And then if you have a look inside, you'll see the beautiful full leather black interior with extended leather everywhere. Extended leather not standard on one of these, nor are the illuminated side seals that you've just seen. Crayon contrast stitching throughout, which really brightens it up in here, and the aluminium dashboard trims. It's a really, really bright and nice place to sit. And again, for 4,900 miles, it's in stunning condition, and we'll talk about some more of the interior features when we get around the driver's side. And some lovely Style Edition features. So you've got the painted rollover hoops, again in gloss black on this car, and you've got the Boxster sort of printed into the canvas roof there. Really, really nice touch. Coming round the back, again, lots more gloss black. So on the spoiler extension on the back of the spoiler here, and again, this spoiler does raise up and down electronically. You've got this nice extension across the back. You've got gloss black underneath there where the Porsche logo is. You've got painted model designation, and then you've got gloss black across the whole diffuser section, along with the black sports tailpipes there as well. Front and rear park distance control and a reverse camera on the back of the car as well. It's just a really, really high spec car, and I'll jump inside now and we'll talk through some more of the interior features. So starting on the driver's door card, some big ones. So extended leather across the top of the door cards, again a cost option, aluminium interior trims, memory settings because we've got the 18-way electrically adjustable adaptive sports seats. So really, really nice seats, the best seats you can have in a Boxster. We've got the massive cost option, the only Boxster I've ever seen with a Burmester surround sound system, the highest end sound system you can have in any Porsche. Power folding door mirrors, again a cost option, believe it or not. And then I'll just grab the key out of the centre console here, fire it into life and talk you through some more features. So the steering wheel is the 3-spoke GT steering wheel, finished in leather, and it is heated as well. So if I press the button behind the steering wheel, you'll see heated steering wheel switched on down there. And because we've got the sports chrono package up on the dashboard, we get this small sort of drive mode selection switch on the steering wheel here, so you can flick round to Sport Plus, individual, and you've got a sport response button in the centre. Aluminium gear shift paddles on the back. And then we've got our digital sort of screen on the right-hand side of the dials there, which is configurable. You can change all sorts of displays on there. So you've got displays for the chrono, your adaptive cruise control, your trip meters, your sat-nav, all sorts you can have on there. Speaking of the adaptive cruise control, you can see that is activated on the stalk behind the steering wheel here, and you've got that distance toggle, which is how you know it's adaptive. And then coming across to the centre, we've got Apple CarPlay in the system as well. Porsche's own navigation system. If I put the car into reverse, you've got the reverse camera that comes up there with the rear and front park sensor displays. And coming down the centre, Dual zone climate control, again a cost option. Heated seats, again an option. Loads and loads of options. If you've missed the theme, there is options everywhere on this car. And we've got our roof controls in the centre here. PASM suspension as well, the sports suspension. Start stop, the rear spoiler that goes up and down, but I will run the roof as well so you can see just how quickly it comes up and down, because it doesn't move the boot out of the way, it just pops straight up from its little hatch. And again, you've got that Boxster logo in it, so it's really, really nice. Unique touch on a Boxster to have that there, part of the Style Edition. And I'll just switch it off and jump outside and just summarise what a fabulous example this is. So, in my opinion, the Arctic Grey with all of the black decal sections and the black sports design package really make this the best looking Boxster on the market, along with those lovely 20-inch GT4 wheels. Just 4,900 miles from new, so an extremely low mileage example with a full Porsche main dealer service history. It just doesn't get much better than this. My name's Ben, I hope the video's helped. Thank you very much for watching.